Amazon wants to do its own version of Black Friday in the middle of summer.
Yeah, Amazon Prime Day is going to be next Wednesday, and that's to celebrate Amazon's 20-year anniversary.
Amazon celebrates its 20th anniversary today.
The online retailer is celebrating its 20th anniversary.
Amazon launched the first Prime Day on July 15th, 2015 as a one-day event to mark the company's 20th birthday and push Prime membership. Well, it worked better than expected.
Amazon says the 24-hour Prime Day sale-a-thon topped last year's Black Friday in terms of peak orders.
Shoppers bought more than Amazon's previous record, which was Black Friday. By 2018, it was over 100 million items sold and had stretched past 24 hours.
And this is probably the biggest year they've done because they're making it longer. It's up to 36 hours.
From roughly 2019 to 2024, it settled as a two-day event, expanding from the 9 countries it had initially to over 25. Sales kept climbing, 11.9 billion globally in 2022, 12.9 billion in 2023. The big shift came in 2025 when Amazon doubled it to a 4-day event, July 8th to the 11th. The longest ever. It also spawned imitations.
Are competitors able to stay in business now?
Best Buy, Target, other stores are not calling it Prime Day. They're calling it like a Black Friday in July.
Basically, every major retailer now runs a competing sale the same week. So Prime Day had become a broad mid-year shopping moment, not just an Amazon thing. This year, Prime Day is running between June 23rd through June 26th, and I decided to prepare a curated list of cool tech and accessories that I have used and tested over the last few months. Everything will be timestamped and linked in the description, and you can expect savings up to 52% off. Now, before I get into specific discounts, I want to point out a few items throughout the video that you might want to be on a lookout for, like the Logitech MX Master 4, which is the absolute king when it comes to productivity, your desk setup, and overall functionality. This is an amazing mouse, and I'm pretty sure Logitech will have some great deals for you to, take advantage of. For the iPhone users out there, Casekoo is coming out strong this Prime Day with cases built around going hands-free. The first out is Lincoln, made for the outdoors, using a patented clip-safe buckle that folds completely flat and hides into the case itself, so there's no ugly tab, and at the same time, it doesn't mess with wireless charging. Flipping it out means you can clip a strap, a card holder, maybe keys, and even a bag chain. Walking around the city with a lanyard is a trend, as you don't have to reach for your pocket or bag. The second case is called Standco. It has a magic stand built in, a 360-degree kickstand that tucks away flush when not needed. Popping it out means the iPhone can be immediately propped in portrait or landscape, at the desk or living room, basically wherever. Both use a strong MagSafe ring that holds over 16 pounds, and the clear version won't yellow over time. For Prime Day, Casekoo is offering up to 40% off, and I'll be sure to link them below. If you travel often, this next one is a lifesaver. It's the latest Anker Prime power bank, and basically the reason I stopped having any battery anxiety. It offers a massive 26,250 milliamp hours at 300 watts of total output, which is a lot of numbers, so here's what it means in practice. 2 USB-C ports push 140 watts each, so my iPhone hits 50% in about 22 minutes and my MacBook in about 27, so it can easily charge a laptop, not just phones. But the part I didn't know I needed is the little screen on the front. It shows exactly how much capacity is left and the wattage going into each port. Furthermore, I can dig into more details and settings via Bluetooth in the Anker app, where I can monitor the output, the temperature, and even pick various charging modes, including a custom one where I have full control over the output of each port. When the power bank itself runs dry, it refills to 50% in just 13 minutes. It's also under £1.5 pounds and TSA approved for carry-on, and for Prime Day, Anker's running a great deal on it too for you to check out. If you live in the Apple ecosystem, this next one might be the gold standard when it comes to charging. It's the ESR CryoBoost Foldable 3-in-1 MagSafe Charger, and it's been living on my desk for months now. Aside from the amazing portability, what stands out most is that my phone never gets warm on it because ESR built active cooling right into the pad. It cools the phone itself, not just the charger, so it holds full G2 25-watt speed instead of throttling. Think iPhone 17 to 60% in half an hour, which is around 20% faster than Apple's own MagSafe. Oh, and it stays whisper quiet while doing it. It can top up an iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once, and the great part is that I no longer need to carry a separate charger while traveling. And then of course it folds flat under 16mm. This makes it ideal not only for the desk, but for any travel or everyday carry. Time actually named it one of their best inventions this year, and ESR is running it for Prime Day. I'll be sure to drop all the discount information in the description below. If you care a little bit about how you sound on meetings, on calls, or you're actually a podcaster, this next product offers something I've genuinely never seen before. The Maono PD200W Hybrid is a proper dynamic microphone that also records fully wireless. That combination is what makes it unique and honestly what makes it so accessible. Now normally you'd pick a lane, a wired XLR or USB mic that's great on the desk, or a wireless rig for moving around. This does it all. XLR, USB, and 2.4 gig wireless on a built-in battery, good for up to 60 hours. You can even run a wired and a wireless track at the same time, which means no switching. Because it's a real dynamic capsule, the wireless holds that broadcast quality instead of going thin like most lav mics. And if you do podcasts, you can pair two of those bad boys to one receiver, each on its own track for super clean editing. What shocked me here is the price, and Maono's running a Prime Day deal on it, which I think is a no-brainer. Another honorable mention worth talking about is the pair of CMF headphones Pro, which are by Nothing, which currently are around 35% off and might be even more tempting if you check out Amazon during Prime Day. This is a great pair of headphones with removable and replaceable cushions that you can actually customize. They have active noise cancellation, super long battery life, and definitely something to consider, especially with a discounted price. Next up on the list is an item for the home theater junkies out there, maybe because I'm one myself. This is the AWOL Aetherion Pro. It's a triple laser 4K ultra short throw projector with AWOL's enhanced black level tech and a real iris pulling a 6000:1 native contrast ratio. Black scenes actually look truly black. Even with some light on in the room, the image holds up instead of washing out. This Pro model can deliver a picture as big as 200 inches, supports HDR10+, dynamic tone mapping, and Dolby Vision Atmos in gaming. In person, I was pleasantly surprised at the color vividness and representation, but more so the sharpness, especially when paired with their Cinematic Plus ALR motorized floor rising acoustic screen. For Prime Day, AWOL is offering 10% off plus 2 free pairs of 3D glasses included. This special runs between June 23rd through the 26th only, so if you've been waiting to take an ultra short throw seriously, this is the window, and I'll link it below. This next one I've talked about before because I've been relying on it for over 2 years now. That's the Plaud Pro. You see, when I travel, I meet a ton of people, and I used to walk out of conversations having forgotten half of what actually mattered. Well, not anymore, because I have this little AI note taker the size of a credit card. It lives magnetically on the back of my iPhone, and one press is all it takes for its 4 mics to pick up every voice in the room, even when it's loud. It tells the speakers apart, and the little display shows me its recording and how much battery is left. It will go between 30 and 50 hours on a single charge, but the real magic is after. The app turns a messy recording into a clean summary, key points, and to-do lists, and it will even draft a follow-up email before I even leave the room. What I find super useful is snapping a photo mid-recording for context. It transcribes in over 100 languages, and because it handles sensitive stuff, it's encrypted and meets the big privacy standards. Right now, Plaud is offering 15% off with my code, so you can check them out too. Now this next one, I'll admit I was skeptical about at first, but it really surprised me. It's the COOLiFY Cyberfold, which you can think of as your personal AC. I took it to my trip to China where I witnessed brutal heat and humidity, half expecting it to be a gimmick, to be honest. It is not, and it became one thing I grabbed every single time I stepped outside. And it's not just a fan blowing air at you. There are 3 semiconductor cooling plates that wrap around the back of my neck with an 8-channel airflow system pushing in 4 directions, so it's basically a 360-degree cooling for my face, neck and back. It pulls an 18-degree Fahrenheit drop in about 5 minutes, and I definitely feel the chill in no time. It honestly feels like holding an ice-cold can against my neck. And it works the other way around too. It also heats up, and that's the part that surprised me the most. I get migraines that usually start in my neck, and the warmth has genuinely helped me to ease them. The plates even change color from blue to orange with the temperature. The battery does about 80% in about an hour, and it even folds down to half the size for travel. If you want something lighter with more battery, there's also the COOLiFY 2S Pro. Same idea, smaller package. For Prime Day, COOLiFY is offering 20% off site-wide. If you are a 3D printer enthusiast, Bambu Lab is jumping in with their 4th anniversary sale, which aligns with Prime Day. And if you've ever been even a little curious about 3D printing, this is the moment. The deals run across the whole Bambu Lab range, from the beginner-friendly A series all the way up to a professional H series, with printers up to 52% off. And if you already print, the filament bulk deal is the real steal. 4 spools gets you 25% off, 6 30%, and 10 hits 45% off. It's their biggest sale of the year, so I'll drop the link in the description for the full lineup, and honestly, worth a look even if you're just curious. As much as we all care about our desks, the chair we spend hours on is just as important, if not even more, and Sihoo TORRAS C300 Pro V2 is the first fully body adaptive ergonomic chair according to Sihoo themselves. Most chairs support me when I'm still, then lose me the second I move. This one actually tracks me, and that's because their Dynacore system coordinates 4 zones: head, back, lumbar, and arms. Basically, the support follows me, and there's a system called SynchroFlex that reads the spine and glides the backrest with me, so it fits perfectly. The lumbar is their self-adaptive dynamic 2.0, which slides down as I recline, so there's no gap in the lower back either. The 8D bionic armrests move in basically every direction, which is the part I didn't expect to enjoy so much. Wide 3D headrest breathable mesh reclines up to 135 degrees. Honestly, I've been in for full work days this week, and by the end of the day, my lower back isn't screaming at me. It's fully BIFMA certified chair, it's under $500, and Sihoo is running it with a Prime Day discount, bringing it down to $429. Plus, you can stack an extra 6% off using my code, links below. If you participate in a lot of meetings, then this next one is definitely an item that you should check out, and that is the Insta360 Link 2 Pro, which I'm actually recording myself on right now. This is one of the best webcams I've ever used, and considering Insta's last 15% off, I'm sure for Prime Day they're gonna have at least 15 if not 20% off. Perfect time for you to check it out. Next up is an item for anyone tired of paying rent on their own files. It's the Ugreen DH2300, a network-attached storage, which is basically a personal cloud that lives in your home instead of on someone else's servers. I did a whole video on ditching my subscriptions with this thing, and the short version is that it replaced most of what I was paying for monthly. File storage, phone backups, my entire photo library. This one in particular is the entry level, where you slide in a couple of hard drives, run a quick setup wizard, and you've got a storage you can actually own and can reach from anywhere. The part that sold me is the software. The OS looks a lot like Mac OS. There's an app store, and one app connects straight to Google Drive or OneDrive and just mirrors everything across with zero effort. The NAS itself is around $220, and you can add your own drives. I was bleeding over $1,000 a year on cloud subscriptions, so for me something like this, which I fitted with two 24TB drives, pays itself off in about a year. Your Green is running a Prime Day deal for this bad boy with 20% off. If you want to see the DH2300 NAS in action, you can take a look at my dedicated episode right here. Or check out one of my favorite gadgets I grabbed while in China. It's a portable console I talk more about in my Everyday Carry episode right here. Like and subscribe to the channel as well as my newsletter, and as always, it's been an absolute pleasure. This is Z, over and out.